What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this beautiful channel. We will be learning about how to use Claude Desktop application. So this is the desktop application. The link is in the description below as well. So you guys can just, touch it a little bit so you guys can download it. Once you have downloaded it, just authenticate it with your Google account or whatever account you're using in order to get the Claude paid is paying the cloud is the crucial part. So once you are over here on the left hand side, you will see the chat where it's there. There you guys can ask, generic queries or something like that. There are artifacts based on the connectors that you use. Customization. If you click on that, you guys can connect your apps, create new skills, browse the plugins, and what more you guys want from here. So here in the core, you guys can see that it's a bit of a notebook LM kind of a thing where you guys can upload a bunch of documents like these ones. I have like uploaded several PDF files for the context of this core high level template and work. And for the context, I have uploaded two different PDF files. And for the skills, I'm using this doc. And this whole thing is still in the process. Whereas dispatch is a better feature at the moment. So using the dispatch can help you connect your mobile application with the Claude in order to work on the same project. The Claude code comes with a pod where you guys can work on a project, ask it to create about different sort of applications that you work on, or you guys can simply include the project that you are already working on. Now, when we go to the customization section, the major thing that you guys be looking forward to is the adding connector option. Here, when you guys go to the connector option, you guys can, always look forward to different sort of applications like Canva, Figma, Gmail, whichever you guys want to integrate with the Claude, so you guys can work on these platforms using the Claude interface rather than going on different platforms and opening different windows, which obviously takes a lot of time and human effort. And you guys can always automate the task from the Claude, so you don't have to actually even look into it. So yeah, this is how you guys can use that application. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care.